Hello and welcome back to our channel. We decided to order one of the boxes of meal delivery service that we see all over our social media pages, and we thought we'd show you what was in the box. So here we go. We decided to try one of these meal delivery things. We have people coming throughout the week to look at their puppies, and some weeks it's just hard to think of new stuff to make for dinner. And since it's just the two of us, there was an online coupon, so we decided to try this meal delivery kit. And this one is called EveryPlate. So let's take a look and see what we got. So this is what is inside. There's the meat, the chicken, and the herbs. This is an ice pack that's all full of yuck. And then here's the box with the groceries in it, with the prepackaged things. And then this is what the meals are. So there's pork and pineapple tacos, caramelized onion burgers, and garlic rosemary chicken. So doesn't seem very impressive right out of the box, but we'll cook these over the next few days and see how they are. I was on the phone talking to my mom, so I did more of this prep than I meant to for this EveryPlate meal. So this one is the pork pineapple tacos. So none of this stuff came with it. We're gonna have chips and salsa with it. And so this is what came with it. I've got the pineapple cup, garlic, onion, ground pork, jalapeno, flour tortillas, the spice, a lime, and sour cream. So for the sour cream, I just sent like that little 2 tablespoon package for 6 tacos. And then a big onion, garlic, jalapeno, lime. And then over here on the stove, I have the meat cooking, and I'm just gonna put the onion and jalapeno into the meat, although it says to slice it and put it on top, but Todd and I both like it, so we're gonna do it that way. And then this is the pineapple that came with it and the spice blend. So that's what the meal looks like. And the directions are easy to follow, but we would have like beans and rice with this, or we made some guac and chips, something like that. This is literally just, tacos. So we'll finish prepping them here and see how they taste. So this is what it looks like plated up. It's just the 3 tacos, and then these, and I had to stretch the filling out to make 6 of them. So yeah, I think it tastes good, but we'll see. This is our second meal that we are going to be doing. It's the garlic rosemary chicken with roasted root vegetables. So it's the chicken breast, and then you do the potatoes and the sweet potato and the carrots roast in the oven, and then saute and slice up the rosemary and the onions, after you brown the chicken breast. So I'm going to add a bag of Brussels sprouts that we have in the fridge that need to get used up, and let's get cooking. Okay, here is the finished product. I've got the chicken with the sauce that they recommended over the top, and potatoes and the vegetables. So looks pretty good. It's not a ton. I'm just gonna eat half the chicken breast so Todd can have the other one. This even holds up really well in the oven. There's some sourdough bread I made. Chicken's hiding underneath there. Todd's usually home at 4. It's 6:30. He's not home yet. So it has a good holding time. So that's a plus. We didn't do a video of the hamburgers because we had just gotten home from a spinning class, and by the time we fed the dogs and everything, I pretty much had everything all cooked and prepared, but they were good. The buns that they came with had dried out and looked like they might be starting to mold, so we used our own bread, but that was no big deal. I think if you have a coupon, one of these is a really good idea to try, but if I had paid $80, the full price for this box, I think we would have been a little bit underwhelmed. So thanks for watching our video. Make sure and like and subscribe so you can see what we're up to next.